This is my fully built 72 volt razor, or as I like to call it, my mini Stark Varg. I built this a couple of months ago and I absolutely love it. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over all of the parts that I use to build my bike and a bunch of other parts that you can use to build yours. Alrighty guys, we're on my razor now, and it's a really good bike. Its acceleration is like very smooth. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys exactly the parts that I use to build this thing. Starting off with the frame, obviously it's an MX650 frame that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace for $250. There's a lot better deals out there than when I got mine for. You just have to find them. But there's other places like OfferUp or Craigslist. The next thing you'll need is your powertrain. And this depends on how fast you want to go. But I personally have a Kunray KR5 motor. I think I bought it for around $200. And a Far Driver ND 72450. I got that for around like $100. I'll have all of the exact prices in the description below. Lastly, the battery. I bought it off of Hot Packs, but it is in a Morge 72 volt 24 amp hour battery, and it costs around $500 to $600. They're the highest quality batteries you can buy, and they're really good. There's a lot of other combinations of powertrains that you can do, but if you're trying to save the most money in the long term, I would recommend going for a slightly higher powered powertrain and pairing it up with the tunable controller so you can turn the power down. Next, you'll need some other little things like sprockets. If you're staying on the stock wheels, Econic Cycles has some very good deals on sprockets and stuff. Some of my favorite companies that sell products for these bikes are SK Watts, Econic Cycles, Hot Packs. Places like Electro & Co are a bit more on the pricey side, but they do sell some pretty high quality parts. The sprocket I currently have on is from SK Watts. It's super high quality and hasn't worn down that much. Some of the other little things you'll need is like a voltmeter, a new throttle, and a 3-speed switch. If you order a kit, that should come with it, but if you don't, like I did, you'll need to buy them separately. And for the main part of the build, that's really all you need. If you have those things, you should be able to start riding your bike, but you wouldn't really have any brakes, which you obviously need. I have some really good pit bike brakes from SK Watts. They have so much stopping power. They can lock up your bike with just one finger. You will need to pair it up with a new pair of rotors though. So far, this should really only be less than $1,000 for all of that stuff. And for a 72 volt bike, that's pretty good. That should be the basis of your build and everything you really need to start riding. For suspension, you can get some pretty decent suspension for around $100 off of Amazon. It's not the one that I currently have on, it's the one I used to have. It is pretty tall, but it's actually pretty decent suspension. You can also get a pretty decent rear shock for around $60. If you need any help with any recommendations for different prices, let me know in the comments. I'll also link some other video tutorials of how to install different things like forks, because you do need some extra spacers and it can get a little confusing. I'm gonna really quick speedrun some parts so I don't really have to explain it. For cosmetic stuff, this is a Moto gas tank in CRF50 plastics that I painted gray, a spinner from RDZ Customs, a black Pro Taper bar pad, a vented number plate I made myself, $100 1214 wheels, shift lock from RDZ Customs, surron seat and surron seat adapter from Bimmer Barn, and swing arm extensions from Momentum Watts. I do have a lot of parts on my razor where I would call it fully built because literally nothing is stock for this thing except the frame. Anyways, that was a pretty quick video for you guys today, just to explain all the parts that you need and to use on your razor build. I'll have every single thing that I can think of to put in the description with links, so it's as easy as possible for you guys to build your razor. Lastly, I'd appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. It's completely free. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Brand new.